Hello dear students. Today we will see how we can plot the A3 size sheet by using Autocad plot command, and we have to print this into a PDF file. How to print the .dwg file into PDF file. So for that, first I am creating a rectangle. So I will type REC rectangle. First corner will be 0, 0, and next corner will be, I will place D, that is dimensions 420 by 297. So this is my rectangle. I have already told you how to make the title block. So for that we will say REC, click on this corner, then place D, then the distance dimensions will be 150 by 60 and place it over here. Now once you look at this, we have to make a title block. So title block already dimensions are shared with you. As per that you make the title block. So your sheet will look like this. Now I have to give the plot command and plot it on the A3 sheet. Once you complete all your drawing inside this, then we can give the plot command as this way. Type plot plot. This kind of window will appear. From printer or plotter name, we have to select drawing to PDF .pc3. Drawing to PDF .pc3. Then paper size we will select A3. That is, we have to search for ISO A3 420 by 297. Then from plot area we have to select window. Then it will show me the operating window, that is the workspace that we are using for drawing purpose. Select by using the crossing window selection. Click on center the plot. Please check the orientation for landscape. Then check the preview. So your preview should look like this. And then at the top left corner there is an option of printer. We have to click on plot. You have to save your file in the respective folder. So go to your own destination folder wherever you have made. So here I will be making one folder. So new folder, and we will name this as AutoCAD sheet. This every student has to do it. The folder name AutoCAD sheet. Open it, and we are plotting three sheets, namely orthographic, sectional orthographic projection. We will name this as our roll number first. So my roll number, say for example B underscore, my roll number is 100. So B underscore 100 underscore my initial SRM underscore orthographic sheet. Okay, then I will save it. And then once I complete this, my sheet will look like this. Completed sheet will look like this. The next thing that we have to do is these three files that we have created in AutoCAD sheet folder by you. I will give you one link, and on that link you have to upload all these three files. Okay, so that's it. For any doubt you can message me personally, or you can message in group also. Okay, thank you very much.